In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Premier League fixtures to your Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss a match. Whether you're a die-hard fan or just like to keep track of major games, syncing these fixtures to your digital calendar can be incredibly handy. Let's get started by heading over to pl.ecal.com in your web browser. This website offers a straightforward way to integrate sports schedules with your personal calendar. Once there, you'll be greeted with a list of all Premier League teams. You have the option to either select all fixtures for every team or just focus on your favourite team depending on your interest level. This flexibility allows you to tailor your calendar to include only the games you care about. After browsing and making your selection, you'll want to find the Sync Schedules option. Clicking on it sets the syncing process in motion. You'll next be prompted to select your calendar preference, and in this case, go ahead and choose Google Calendar. This step is crucial as it creates the link between the fixtures and your Google account, ensuring the game dates appear correctly. Now, you'll be asked to choose the Google account you wish to sync these fixtures to. If you have multiple accounts like many of us do, be sure to pick the one you use most frequently, especially if it's the account you regularly check for appointments and events. Once you've selected the appropriate Google account, the system may require you to grant permission to eCal. This will allow eCal to interact with your calendar. You'll want to confirm your details and grant the necessary permissions. Rest assured, these permissions are typical, allowing the tool to properly add fixtures without any hassle. After granting access and verifying everything, the Premier League fixtures will be seamlessly imported into your Google Calendar. You should now be able to see all the selected games plotted out among your existing commitments. This integration helps in planning your schedule around match days, minimizing scheduling conflicts and keeping your enthusiasm for the sport alive. And just like that, you're all set to stay updated with all the Premier League action. Should you wish to make changes in the future, like updating fixture selections or removing them altogether, you can easily return to plecal.com and adjust accordingly. Remember, by having the fixtures right there on your calendar, you'll be perfectly aligned with kickoff times and venue changes, making your planning a smooth experience. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the games.